All right, hey guys. Want to walk through another weather map with you. Here's another map of the United States, and I want you to be able to read it and make a prediction of it. Remember, you're looking for 5 symbols. Those symbols are an H for high pressure, a blue line with teeth for cold front, a red L for low pressure, a red line with bumps on it for a warm front, and then a red-blue line alternating is a stationary front. If you can find these things on the map, then we can predict the weather by looking at these. If it gives me a red L for low pressure, that means I have a high chance of precipitation. It's cloudy, it's windy, and you have to decide if it's going to be warm or cold based on where that low pressure is located. Is it located by a warm front or a cold front? So we're going to practice these things by taking a look at our map over here. And what I want you to do is I want you to do this on your own before I actually start. So let's just take Gary, Indiana. Let's just do Gary, Indiana, which is right here. All right. What I want you to do is, 1, number the symbols that will hit Gary. That's Gary, Indiana, not Gary the person. All right, so number the symbols that are going to hit Gary, but remember to start with the symbol that is affecting Gary right now. Always start there, and I'll just give you this one. This is what's affecting Gary right now. So your first one is the H. Now, I want you to pause the video, and I want you to number the rest of these maps. Write down on a sheet of paper 1, high pressure. Now number the other things that are going to affect Gary, Indiana. Go ahead, pause the video, and get those numbered. Okay, hopefully you got them numbered. Let's do a check. The check is, the first one is a high pressure, that's there. The second thing that's going to affect Gary, Indiana is this line, and it is a red-blue-red line, which means we have a red-blue-red line. It is a stationary front, and this is going to be number 2, a stationary front. After the stationary front hits, the next symbol that's going to move to Gary, Indiana, remember, weather moves this way, the next thing that'll get Gary, Indiana is this high pressure, which is number 3. And then after that high pressure, we have another high pressure. That's going to be number 4. And the final thing on the map that's going to get there is this one right here, which is a low pressure, and that's going to be number 5. So if you numbered these correctly on your paper, it should say 1, high pressure, 2, stationary front, 3, high pressure, 4, high pressure, 5, low pressure. That's how you should have numbered those first pieces. If you don't understand why I did that, make sure you send me an email and we can get together and chat about this. All right. Now that you've got this done, now we actually need to do the forecast. If you remember, the forecast has to have 4 things. It needs precipitation. It needs the condition or forecast. It needs the wind. And it needs the temp. So for each one of these numbers that you've now wrote, on my sheet of paper, I have 1, high pressure. And from there, that high pressure, I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4. So for 1, for high pressure, the precipitation, low chance. For the forecast or condition, I'm going to have sunny. Now, if you don't know where I'm getting that high pressure, here's high pressure, low chance, sunny, and the wind is going to be calm. Now, the only thing I have to figure out then is, what is the temperature going to be? And I'm looking at this line right here that says, oh, a cold front went this way. So if a cold front went this way, that means Gary, Indiana is going to be cold. Now again, I would like you to stop the video and fill out 2, 3, 4, and 5. And when we start back up from the video, I will help you with the answers on each one of these so that you can check the sheet that you're doing. Go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, we're back. So on number 2, this is a stationary front. Remember, this side is cold. My guess is this side is warmer. So we're at a stationary front. And a stationary front says that the precipitation, we have a chance of rain or snow for days. The temperature is going to be average. But our question is it going to be sunny, calm, or is it going to be cloudy, windy? And it's actually going to be cloudy, windy because there is an L right here on this line by number 2. You could argue it would be sunny and calm or sunny and calm because you have both of these on either side, but I'm going with cloudy and windy. Number 3, low chance of precipitation, sunny, calm, and warm. Number 4, low chance of precipitation, sunny, calm, and even warmer. And then we get to number 5, where we have a high chance of precipitation. It's going to be cloudy, windy, and it's still warm because no cold front went through here. I hope that helps you. This was your practice for the day. Hoping you didn't walk all the way through the video and not try and fill it out. If you did do that, please go back and try and do it on your own now and see if you can understand why. I'm hoping that on Monday I will put up a video about what your presentation should look like, as well as the instructions on how to get your presentation done. You guys will be videotaping Screencastify again and turning it in that way. Have a great afternoon. We'll talk to you guys later.